Family, hope all is well. It's God Motivate hitting you with another installment today. And today we're going to be going over a term in real estate. Basically used like when you're purchasing a house, you're getting an FHA or, you know, you're getting a VA loan or whatever. And this word that we use in real estate is the inducement to purchase. Okay. So that's going to refer to a certain expenses paid by the seller and or by another third party on behalf of the borrower and result in a dollar for dollar reduction to the purchase price when computing the adjusted value of the property. Okay, that's the AVR, of the property before applying the appropriate loan to value percentage. And that word is inducement to purchase. Okay. So, like in Delaware, here in Delaware, the seller, if you're buying a property, the seller can only pay 6% of the sales price. Okay. In Delaware, they can only pay 6% of the sale price. So you might thinking they can pay the full amount for your closing and all that. But really, they can only pay a certain percentage without devaluing their property that they're trying to sell to you. So this was some quick game, and I'm going to be going over some more real estate terms. You finally got that credit score up. You finally at least above 600. Maybe you're at the 580. You just got to prove you can afford it. You're going to get out of the cycle of renting, and now you're going to be putting that money that you're spending on rent into equity for your own last name. So these are some terms that you want to go over with and want to have clarity on. Hope you like the message and the video. Hit like, hit subscribe, help me grow the channel. Cheers.